Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. Why would I want to use Java? Well, here's a peek ahead at the answer. Because we'll be able to develop easily. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Today, I am going to cover a very important topic. It is profit and loss. I am going to represent several problems and solutions based around this topic. I will be writing code for the solutions using Java. So let's get started without further delay. If the cost price of 120 mangoes is equal to the selling price of 100 mangoes, what is the profit percent in this transaction? Here is the answer. Let the cost price of 120 mangoes be 120. As per question, selling price of 100 mangoes would be $120. Cost price of 100 mangoes would be equals 100. Profit equals the difference between selling and cost price equals 120 minus 100 is equal to 20. Profit percent equals profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100, which is 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 20%. John bought an article at 25% less of the marked price and sold it at 15% more than the marked price. Find the profit earned by him. Here is the answer. Let the marked price be $100. Therefore, the cost price equals 100 minus 25 is equal to 75. And selling price equals 100 plus 15 is equal to 115. Profit, selling price minus cost price, equals 115 minus 75 is equal to 40. Profit percent equals profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. 40 divided by 75 multiplied by 100, that gives us 53.3%. A shopkeeper purchases a table and sells it for $4,200. If he incurs a loss of 20%, find the cost price of table. Here is the answer. Selling price of the table is $4,200. What is the cost price of the table? Loss incurred equals 20%. By applying formula as the cost price equals 100 divided by 1 minus loss percent divided by selling price. Cost price equals 100 divided by 80 multiplied by 4,200, which gives us $5,250. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Programmers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. The JDK is a development environment for building applications using the Java programming language. The JDK 12.0.2 Windows x64 bin exe includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java and running on the Java platform. In addition, the Spring Tool Suite, STS, provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all of the latest enterprise Java and Spring, and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. STS supports application targeting to local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It is freely available for development, and internal business operations use with no time limits. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the profit percent for earlier solved problem 1. Define the selling price and cost price member variables and initialize them. Next, the profit is the difference between selling price and cost price. Next, the profit percent is calculated as profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. The last step is to return the profit percent. Here I am printing the cost price by calling profit-loss method. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the profit percent for earlier solved problem 2. Define the selling price and cost price member variables and initialize them. Next, the profit is the difference between selling price and cost price. Next, the profit percent is calculated as profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. The last step is to return the profit percent. Here I am printing the cost price by calling profit-loss method. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the cost price for earlier solved problem 3. Define the selling price and loss member variables and initialize them. Next, the cost price is calculated as 100 divided by 100 minus loss multiplied by selling price. The last step is to return the cost price. Here I am printing the cost price by calling profit-loss method. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica channel.